was your mamma, Sama, Crab, be your case, and Annie, day at one more fee. Utium Ranny be a bebo power. Obeka last week. Yana lawyer for to Elchichin, Momuche, the entire case now, the aqua a channel. So on was as a case, Nache. And I can be the one what dine on Sankada. Now, next week, now, my message that the lawyer for Bamia said, baby, to me, a dine yaka, ever court. Because if you want one must what day, so one of them quite to go burn one cheer da, ain't he ever court near a cannon, the old could be crying a door car, and you see a barber here because I'm now you ever come back with intention to create legal relations. One way and not in person out there, and a bearman above with your only case, but drew court to be a well at once son some who so say, or who got to find out about with TNT. And the lawyer a brony video lawyer, Mamma Aquaba. Yeah, that's say, what your pennies over ye who are near near you go in your butcher, alone in Papa. Some medical negligence here, and I'm able bossy. No, be a call, be a see a man of para, be seen none was with your mind. I'm an ipami and swamma. Pani and Uncle was here the moment, warm panny bonny. I feel and San Tigu almost. One did the one about Kutim, and China about Kutim, none you almost see the Tosomi and son. Unipa san, a case, son, or more case, Anna. But all the deacon cry medical negligence, no,
medical negligence, because bro focus here. Now say, yeah, boo boo, now say, yeah, breaking it down. Yeah, we can say, 2 words. Medical, just something related to medicine. There be a fat, I yare shaho. And negligence, say, obi a dibia shed in sase, onion or queen be so. Now why ya not to achia? Okay. There's a procedures here. They are to us on fasonya jumano. One faswan yet. Anna and Namsono, Amana akochia. Ama asem ato obi. It is all kaboma. Na kwe se ayaroshehu ejuma. And Namsonema asema enfata ato nipana or call senka. Yen sheno yen fakwan papa biso heno na eniema ato achra. Just say things have really gone wrong medically. Say, Kaoba sen kebia, minsa we near me ya. Name umbre nanka minsa no nanka wahe nanka muhatona. Afi anko hena afi minsa we na kwe nwejuma no asa akosa minsa ne papa no. Ako say no crab can dey me say me ya no. Adia one check all documents ni hu say my right hand and akoye me left hand ho asam. Inti afi crab say what's am the problem crab is akofi. Inti say when ni procedures no so ya try say me ba say me be ma kuma mu asam mo say me nsa right me nsa difa no afi dia me nsa bonkum na mkoye ho operation afi mamma dia de so afofo ne kofi na say che say ayarhwe na ahwe mo no mo ani ekwan no so yesen kam hwem no mo sa dia de so asom me inti sa de so am de asom no no e burden inti na say mo anyemodwuma yi inti problem na am de amamo no and na che say ma anyemodwuma inti my negligent.
I see na negligent de beti mesi wo ba bia say adwumam ni ade ba we de ye ka hospital na say ayarhwe mu de ene ye kan
yes
inti say obi beti me aka say hospital we doctor ana nurse why medically negligent to me and say why medically negligent ama kame ama say de okay me say twa me na ye twa or edru ode ma me ti wo say nkra no ye so polio bai na ye say nkra no bi won ma ntobro ayi wo me ne ye ko wo mpane na ne awo me na fe nkra no wo kagum ne nyankopon odi ni free heaven bai wa mo ne sa no wa ma fe akra no wadane apache no wo ka wo mu enu say ye negligent ni bia nti ye no sa no de na wo so nya wo beti me gina so aka say hospital we na doctor ana nurse me ne no case. Okay.
Say can't negligence law na ankasa still say hint here no very broad but no you can't be related to ayarhwem enti ansa na bitimi akasa obi negligent ankasa no na so obi anyina adwuma ye no na say utimi say at least 3 elements be show. Okay. First na so che say enipa na on say why negligent no enipa no o de on ho ekọ no ho a che say wo dan no the fair brand say you should be able to establish a duty of care. Say bia metimi fie na me mama musa me ko hospital ka say bi won kra ha. Enti menya kope na hospital no de obi esi ho say.
Wo hwe
o ye obi a ya fa ya de na fa ntitiem. So ye nurse, so ye doctor, or ye physiotherapist, where de na fa ntitiem say obetimi ahweme. Into the moment I make quite na name and another be concerns odi kan for procedures bi mu yes ko ha kwaje card where you 2 cities where you 5 cities once a utua ka no why establish something contractual into the moment na wukotna na nimpe enipa no owe you that duty say obe show ekwan papa so ene professionally say you call school ye kire no obe fa so a hwe kama one hwe say procedures no obe ma ebiachia
nti no number one element okay
into ultimate establish the new real say oh I see to me ba me ties ka say na mkwaje we a card me fa ha na asem nkwa lab test fa ni nyina wan fa nche me me ties ka me ties ka wi no de me koyeye me hu se no ade a na ese nka fa so na ahwe me no wanye enti chese wa breachi chese wa tumra enti procedure no wa breachi a chese me na ese nka ahwe me kwan bi no ahwe me no chese wa breachi sa duty of care no
okay tiano ya number 2
no
okay
na wa breachi wi na because oh okay enya se wo breachi a na ese wo dimika no afa okra na ese okwa akwaje ena nipa bebre anom ya zo me here ni say na CEO na betwe ndai the last question no and they say a dear na to
there should be I was saying so be back
thank you bonisi injury and now there is a detriment and now there is some suffering a dear na to tinya say bia obi be ka say me kwae no no wan hwe me ye
na by force chenchen was say upra ana unya ya obi because obo no ma otumi tumra no batumpra minimami bia okowo ne ye no operation omo wo ne pane na ye wo cesarean section ye operation ye wo pane wo achi
spine
na wo ha nyina aye titiriti ntonte ne akoye operation ye de maame ne to wo no ye de sika kan show no te na ne yam hye no kam wi ti ano saa no ni anesthetic na nko obewo pane no ono na adwuma anye ye nto maame ne se echi omhu ya pe no mmesa bewo ne pane ni bio doctor ne ka so o mu increase dosage no no mbe wo ne pane ni bio na fe de oda anti afe de o mo ye no wante nti wan pray o but what wish ya will be eno
o kana o si wan pray o let's say wo kra wo kire say wan pray but as I may use the words we say injury detriment or suffering
okay nti wish pain no suffering
pain no ye obi edi ani hu e bo so amfo ani hu because obi dey mental obi dey psychiatric enti e bia aye obu adem hye kra ti ma na dwene
obu ma no obu on ma no obu ne nsa
thank you
obu otumi junso no ho ma no chese
enti nye ade a chese pain chese me semabu ana me ni etu ana me ni ekokwa no but eye ade bia be chese na encount obobia no ho na emu ade o na no amana be count enti se bia me hu doctor kra na me hye no kra na na say doctor bia ya ade ama say mu doctor for kra misro mu
I see
sa apprehension no cry a problem once a obetimi a kire say na woni tibia nim na de oye na mo akoda tibia mu there is some detriment
I see
enti
nurse bi tian mu gu so ana so oye o doctor bi won ma akotena nanim asem no wonka madam ona be chebe adwuma nso bia na oka chense doctor kroko ye ne me honye me de tese wo ma me kroko ye ne ma me ho keka me no ati magu so bia na afi wadun so ho na afi aduro no kra no ama mental problem no se otumi de ko
se ti o si kan pa na nka ati doctor ni mu ati am wadun so ho a en no chese en na law taught it we can be say reps excel likita chese
the matter speaks voice
ade na bia wadun so gumo de chese wa say agum ani masimpo
clear
onti emu na ati agum no just you can imagine the emotional effect every madwini ma sane bam sisim amaju so gumo eh serious enti no say no say lawyer ni ka so to no akireki ma breaking down court dia eni pakro no e bit menya compensation bi akofi enti eniema miensa no wontimi nyina mfimfiri wo sha say so wie ana wontimi sha say mfiri akiri say me kan no you should establish from top to bottom enti wontimi ka say oh what prada da no akọ hospital no prada da akọ hospital wana enti so timi kire mu say o enipa no wogitum so betimi ahwebe na wogitum ma me so me kọ na ni mitieska enti there should be obi ka say or show free asamo ho
o ka say o show free kra
asamo ho
na so opra wa
asamo ho
I say free there one open na buy
thank you enti eya na ensem no say ye de to animu a ye nwa ani ya
duty of care wom
duty of care but because we show free na duty of care no echia kakra because I say obi a so free keep kosoba ohun police car and oh baza paso nyina na me konkran fa me nko and ohuri ta car ni police officer wa news car on your papa na ye ba na nyina huritom ye nya accident me pa cho uni case and kwa attorney general also koji compensation
oh sir
because
one small say better na kai
thank you na mom me ameti e kira me se me kokuma se na me kwa kofa bus bi amenti modi on pombe advert na makwa ko cheers ka ji receipt na makwa ko tra me seat number 13 misi ho
and number 12
number sebeka number 13 there na makwa ko tra number 13 afi nyame amfasa amba na asene bia ba me nyame nkwa mangu na emo mensa ana e de chia kakra me say so no anam didi ho right no enam se me cheers ka no the moment a driver no me huru kwatena ka ni mo no I represent or no kuta lines so timi twisa bus no duty no is established me metua ka no
odo ka so
enye free
edu kosi baby a
wo kosi baby a me tie miska so odim kosi boko wa mfama nkoduru ho ana onya sa accident na wa hu receipts am nsem abu me court akwaje
ntu nsam kra ye case say de o ka no it speaks for itself do atoben no se atoben
eni hede me say enye sa na metie enti eno no na me se me tua ka nti masem no kan ye
ede
na wantia na free bonto so de yem ka no na so de ofiti anapan okotene ma obi a wantia for ade a wo ya ma no duty no edin so be hwehwe se wo do ka ewo yes say pam as a contract and do ntimi nya bibi ntimi ka say pam a na na de ka be na me de wo what you say
mato asimbacho abusianfo mo ma yen hwe de lawyer e kan yi papa mo amode free left guess bi otama mote wo omu gina toll gate wo mi hunu so omu tua da de bia I don't know the mo pen ho hey free left na mo pa na lawyer kan so o ji free left wo bi wo na ka no konya akwahia woni case wo ba ha mi mo okra mi ni hu adaje e case bi wo no ma yi na say the lawyer kan bia what ticket bus ana taxi uber ibi na wafa taxi fine hwan buses ya kese e kuma se ekon hwan wato mpenduro wato ticket ne de ana watua ka no apam eda wo ne driver no ensem abusuafo ma yentie na wen nyina achi no ana mi busa lawyer say ye ba mo ho a ye betimi atua na no me kohwe Ghana Bar Association lawyer for charges ya Ghana Bar Association lawyer for ko ankasa pene so wo mo kwaje unim say ukoja wa ye divorce case keke ubetua 15,000 ewurade ade awa ijayo 15,000 asasi case ya eno de chese 30,000 o se ho ahwan na abetua 30,000 asasi case ya when ye Ghana Bar Association lawyer for nka bom kuro de wo ma pene so se lawyer for nye eno no na nya lawyer for fault asa na obe dru ba bi a lawyer ayibroni bedi akowo no na wa ba akokra ma otiri nyina tutu wa afọ no wo mu ko school nyina wa mo madu JSS na wa fe na obeduru obra obebre no cases ya obechuru nti wo mo gi a wo mu so mo gi na so Ghana Bar Association ka se NTS ka we ya mene wo ye ko fa ne nti awari boni mu na ati ni ye kun ye siba mu oba bi ye wa ma ye bema na wo kra kra dwane afiri ho na je se tena awari ja ni nkoso ni 15,000 ya bokwa akotua eye criminal case ya oba bi ye so akọwi abanche ana abode wo keyetia ene yade ne kwa roy akora na obetena se 10,000 abusiafo enye si la make say ono so wabre o enti se no akwase atenten no a enu nti yede me wo case na abai ye ton atenten ne ye ton ti lawyer yenya case we nyina ewie no ye ba mo ho a na mbusa kwase ebetumi atua cause ye wo case bi wa ma mbi ko ye operation fibroid the pad share na yase no mo katum refi obi wo no mo the scissors na no get ba ko tema on na mo nyina computer na scissors dan yam doctor bi kra ne ko hu no bato se scissors ketwa edan yam nti ye ba mo ho a ne ye be prove sa na ma miensa na waka no a ye be da atua
ya some kese say the kind no legal fees ne de some kese na me ni gide yo si bo afanu no bo ha no Eding. In fact, me and Kasana practically me nipa be 6 and 7 na ba manima. Recently, within 2 months. Said okay, ejidie mo no tia ware bonim. Nkombezo mfrim. Na enipa no betena onim na wa ba for mama ne kra no. Oni say skadi bi omo ba omo adwen say e bi 1,000 ni 2,000 kobo. Na emo moto bu breaking it down no hu say.
Lo enye better sa.
Thank you. No, who says I 1,000 2,000 come on because a lawyer need kujina court. Let's say or kwasema for bosumi be insia ana nine. No bisa on say inti lawyer no bosumi bia be so twa ne kasa.
Yo. Lawyer man na ne homra ne e meto. Me o case na na ohwe e wo Adom TV. So yamra ne me so lawyer fo no wo metimi aye case na ma free. Ana se wo mate so ana se wo yire. Lawyer fo ade 30,000. Ya ba se si a ya ba beto. Abusia fa mama sa mo akwa ba me wo case ana ne e wo Adom TV so ene ya hwe medical negligence se eye enfomso asi e wo ayarehwem ene bi obi ko hospital e wo se e man para ne yakwa akoma no kode ana yakoma otramo na afi wonam na kekekekeke wagiri bom ade yeso a wonye tramo ni obi a yawo pa wono so eno kwa doctor for mo fa manche ana bi obi won ma se de mike oba bi e koye no fibroid operation obi ye no mo koja pad e wo na ya ase Mami bi kra the pad ne hyewa ma ne proy na asa akwa ya asem ye koye no operation wo man kasim onu sei o case ana lo a chechem se niema miensa bi wo hono ma wo a wo pese odi case bi sa aba no na wunya nyina so se we die mi o case no sa niema miensa no e wo se wo ka wutuminya sa asem no lo a che dada na ye wie ni nyina na ye buza lo ya se ne ba e betumi atua hwe mi kuta mensem wana mo sei nkrata na make no Ghana Bar Association lawyer foku we omo scale of fees adopted at mid-year review conference 9th April 2015 La Palm Royal Beach. Royal Foco meeting now 2015 La Palm. Woman ko hotel ketwan so. La Palm next time we go campisi around table say campistic mbeko. Now so to be fair to them last 2 years omo ko sunyan. And so omo ko ewie no omo sisika yi ne ebeje. Na omo che say omo cheche ne ma bebre nti e wo so omo je ne ade no kra de e man. What I say, ye this guy, you could chase her. I'm just all your consultation, that's all color over fra. Now go chase a car. Or your lawyer near what way do many 10 years up in the abroad, so we bet you 1,000. No. What's not lawyer in the office you? We need 1,000 and now pay call. Eh, see us as some pan making you. We need 1,000 Ghana. Lawyer near watch away 10 years in the abroad, so I was so bet none office crack can answer my channel. Consultation 1,000. So a lawyer ni kuma we di vie num ekosi mfie nkono wa adwuma nim 5 to 9 years wa adwuma nim 750 so a lawyer ni afa no oba say mini abema Michael Pabila very sure be call na na say samida akon lawyer nkuma afa ya na omaba e no 500 Ghana cedis na no krani body ewura mi metumi atua mini bi internet just say obi bu obabu kun a serious case na say hourly rate say omo de eje na hour say lawyer for no cry ye o ye hay would the case ba near the woman lawyer be dia konjo hour omo ye humo brompo omo nye na say hour we the bar association so omo jo o ye senior councilor don hwe ba ko no otena say 1,000 to 2,000 so ye 5 years to 10 years 1 hour be also jo 500,005 so ye lawyer kuma afa we law school a wa be ye lawyer ni a 300 to 1,000 Ghana na no ko iskaketo a woti 1 hour o abroche for the woman no kwa ye man we got back so wasem ha ti we say wasem na wo de aba no say ye our ijaya na divorce na ubetua 15,000 minimum anu ya ketu aje say ebetimi abro so nti our ijaya no mpese obebo kampacho urade mpese meka oto wo de ye bosum ye kun ye di watam ye di nsuo na otua 15,000 ni tesa lo ya ndi a chew kra no we na busuani o 15,000 awarijaye nti mo amokọ ware no mo pa munye fia wade ukojaye a wo de snap wo de hi ho ahwane o say mo de ani o munyima de wunnim na ko court de ni bi na nkofo ye na ma no na court ye ku 15,000 wo de a chew kra anya sa utumi nya aware no wo de osu matu na me bo me bra o asemba na abo wo ye yire be fro am akọ ekuna twa de wo pre ho say ayi estate litigation if I die ho 5 to 20% as a wo dan kro no wo lawyer no be sesen edan no ho sika edan no say abro sign trasa ko dan wo beji sika no move 5 to 20% of edan no next time we go see pepe and the lawyer say sika we ya moji nyina e na omo say recovery of debt lawyer ko dan wo ka amawa e no so sika na obi de wo ka no lawyer no ko dan ama no beji sika no mu 10 to 25% sika ni nyina anya wo dia lawyer ne dan ka na ma wi a obeje na say no kra say bedwe obedan ka na ma wo one day wagye ne fee ko e ka bi won ma ye ka bone a wo ye ho hwe a enye ye kura nti bacho mama ye we correction awaye no matrimonial courses awaye mu nsem bia we nya awaye gya nko ampo awaye mu nsem bia no de ode acha okra na 15 na akosro 45,000 Ghana cedis 450 ebetimi ato asase
ebi kura bro o hwe ho na
nti tete lawyer kese bia na say no ho ba asem say onu say ni de ebebro 45,000 Ghana cedis na lawyer ade na mo gigi discuss medical negligence what chirem kofo baby o problem o hospital na ekono kra card no ko bi ni scantia this one koye NHI
it's a big challenge and we nyina agitum say it's a big challenge you can say oh practice law ewo a man more economy ni stronger dey move ya na say na me breaking it down no say wakwa ko worry ordinance. Yeah, and even customary law. Customary law to me court ko jai because it be an party be free. If it be consequential orders. It be our Japan move per custody of the children. Ni na no busu pa ni timi nkasa. Say one in farm cry nko. Court in ma order na ye adwuma. Enti wako worry na they say wo so person ko jai. And I me can say what be follow any say omo na timi court ni gu worry because emra no one be timi di ho chia me ma. Anaa what can minimum 15,000. Okay. You am say
maximum 45,000.
It me broker. What kind of ya? Enti obaye no me so me estimate o matter na hu say okay we be a bit 6 months. Na ate say free home. Enti 6 months.
I say we o mo kan mo Iba association for anka 6 months 4 months o man kan one to mama average.
Nti na ba na no lawyer na ko hu no ato bo breaking your mama. We near 4. Yen yete kasas
ndi we kwa ni sen kam de beto abonti on te
oh a public documents nti no de obi anya o hwe nya de bi ya de se de
say lawyer pacho ye nyina ete na ha ye obi bi afa minimum wage aye de tua ye ka ade na mo de mo ngi minimum wage de because 15 to 45,000 for our jaya na say matrimonial courses se me ne be ma biti eja aware waje nkora na boso nkora no sususa oba time da me yam hyehye ntumi na usimi metua between 15,000 because and economy ne nye economy ni to onim se me so me ni bi
afia ma me mo hu se e minimum wage pa na hu no hosa enti me breaking it down
minimum wage say 15 to na just omunji sika omunyi biom
ma me breaking it down enti me can say a minimum wage because enti as a professional lawyer ofana if you are reasonably boso me mama ne say so make sure say
na me na me tua na wo say me ma oboso me sika
so we say minimum wage the minimum wage ni aka say lawyer ni minimum wage da bia de esen ke bambutom as already hourly rate no
but you say minimum wage as a producer mo check ma me minimum wage oh ye me de beto ho minimum wage won to me fa me huru
but you know sir the minimum wage it's minimum for a certain sect.
Okay.
We've never made mention say maximum wage and maximum minimum meaning when you cry no so you say but say yeti CSR the make you say what be follow your ni so onko kwasem ma into o kwasem ma 3 months na bia say bosu mi ama lawyer ni no 4,000 man 5,000 oh ma lawyer ni 4,000 na 5,000 bosu mi me hu ni so o mani sika
lawyer 4,000 o ma lawyer sika lawyer tio before obema lawyer 4,000
me mom is this video
there be lawyer before obema lawyer 4,000 no so ho I was say what the obedie wo dan ka insuo ka kania ka the other be ma ayire chop money the other be o mama nkola na ko school nti the end be ka na obetu 4,000 and just say mu fees we enye for ye no ma ye tete yi nkwankonu ase papa hwe kwa afọ nye yen
no kra
this akasefo no emuni mu nua no doctors no ade na betumi tia
no kra no nti na o ma futu obi say and nti na ya na ye copy blind they join say aware nkwane ordinance but customer marriage say aware ana customer marriage no so utimi good court utimi good fie
ba good court so ano say obetua 15
and na me nti say o na obehu de obia nipa say cut your coat according to what me cry de me nkan according to your size so your cloth on to my one na de kosi empawatare ma na your size
there be lawyer say ye ne sound so na so obi enya justice so obi enya tenten your cloth there and na wunni sika ni bi na wo ye hia na je say e wo say sika we obi bua ene mami bi case obi abefa ne bato ne ba ba mu a 6 years 19-year-old boy no abefa ne bato ama sebe ne kokobu nyina apoaba akra no ye no wo hwenye yi oni bi de de befa ka akokọ to kra no o se oni bi nti ma me na ja asem no
onyem
ana unu anum legal aid for betena be last 2 weeks wo mu ni kapre ba bi o tie wo mu office okra ne se wo mu ye squatters ye onye wo mu dia computer kra wo mu ni bi the whole illegal aid for ba ha se Ghana nyina wo mu ye 4 inti me producer check was say 9 cedi 60 pesos minimum wage inti say minimum wage 9 cedi a yenim say nya den a lawyer bia so benya a client a esikafo wom enfififo wom na hiafo wom inti aden na onye minimum wage no 9 cedi so emma hiafo no so ba wo de atua be say aburo so de 100 Ghana nanka munya esikafo akese ton liter monum ne ade na majeje o ma akese.
Okay.
Oh, Ibrahim Sano, Nanado, Asanti Bedi, Canada, Japan, Mansu, Anaa Sequin. Now they are born team boom, say tape number 13. One family, no general. Now can hear for 100 Ghana, 100 Ghana, 100 Ghana. I lawyer.
You know, you're doing, and say you'll be a friend of pro bono. Now you can't pro bono now, and trust you'll be brimum. Your pro bono, will be to me, the Asama Bania Castle, Yaya Chokra, 100%. Lawyer, no crowd, Lord for a crowd, because. Court and crowd with your mom. And the lawyer because okay, professional fee, minion share. Name court and case for 1 cedi brabitia. Court and say file rabitia. Ain't he announced our horn to pro bono. Okay. Ain't he your near ma, yes, ye, and it check Oma Muhiamwa, emphasis. Omo Muhiamwa. Now, only be a bear, no menu didn't come. Oh, yeah, Maui. Oh, me a fearful queer, me more. Oh, Miss I will be a consultancy firm crowd chain. May your assessment time who's okay. Kakaba and Sembo Summe. Yenchem two. No, guys, any fear. Yencho Sika Mutu Bosume. Never from Brem.
Balo, I need Obi one so I need Yechem two and crowd of you. I was here for her. Our more show Monomia did too. Korean in Anasi and not the boom container. Why is one as a
wedding? To not me address that issue, no mom, Muchomopana. And we issue of, I mean, executive governance. A bind on this or chasse. Oma omuchiro mu situation ba omu nyesika abra omu hiesika kokot omu hiesika no and in the set obligate but no one working the challenges they are facing we are all aware into what can we do into reality check ni nyina is all here chapter 6 of the 1992 constitution what the this will be aswa aban Ghana for ni aban as a contract bi enie bebu as aban hwe na at least me tax na bi e teme if you are tax, I am to be show. Timothy will be cannibal somino. So tax near to say, ye didn't share woman swa or monia man and answer. Oh, yeah, better V8. It is our tax no air shenanka sasha woman almost out him nan kaliga in now kind of. And lawyers for now. If you be we are no who near Jumampo. And when your baby I juma, Ebianca, Obian Kakraj in the bosomi. Nanka sa societal consensus also. They are dealt with. In society, Panang, the Hunya, Saman, and Hanchen, that is an avenue. Anka, ya criticize bit me a cornanka, at least when you redress it. Oh, men, so I feel him who's a Megani, na me what should have been this campa. Me will be a Mekomasama, you became your mammy. I dare am a Yabako, National Service for Ghana, and my end mandate, that be also Mrs. Salono. Cause on my way, on your BBA may. On mining your way, my Ushemupa and a lawyer king. When you are semi do to say we bail application. Bail. Say a child baby and I say, this year offer Sibiatum. Now pay bail at the man, na lawyer anywhere. Emma Unconia bail. Bail application 2,500 could see 15,000. 2,500 could see 15,000 for bail. Obey the etria. Misdemeanor just only will be out contour. What did you want them? Oh, a ball. Assault. 15,000 could see 30,000. Felony, a whole crowd, and I just say, oh, robbery, no near the end. Oh, but them, until they cried, their mammy, how, what I say. Now, if you appeal, if you walk up, lawyer, cram, watch your court brief, keke, the amount, cry, Ghana Bar Association say, more yancho, 1 year, I just want yes or yam or pro bono. Legal opinion up to minimum rate 10,000. Legal opinion, keke, no. What you want them, now lawyer not sure say, a same way I would buy ye, Ufaha and a bay, Ufaha and a bay, Uyani say and a bay, 10,000. And the edge war. Power of attorney. Say, be I want to Ghana, how to approach you, assess the woman so. Who better would to me, my lawyer, na lawyer, a DH, no D case amount. And you say for 2 hours, it be a or say lawyer, Jew, Sika, or Joe hourly rate, and also, sir, or Joe, Nina, a cajon.
serious. Na assassin one sem there say conveyance. The fees of any conveyance are based on the value of the property to be conveyed. Nti o ton wo dan and I will be na o koto dan and you say ye value no 15% of ejapade no. Nti unim na kwa so koto dan bi otrasa ko betwia ma wa beti pound o ko pɛ dan fia we bi kura lawyer wo ho kwan so ogi 15%. But eno tenancy agreement o ko ye tenancy agreement keke no o ko high dan umu ni bi hiafo wo ko ha one room chamber hall 2 bedroom lawyer ye agreement na ma se fie we o mesisi enu say wo so ogi up to 20,000 per annum o we po de ye per annum net so busumi dumi enu e wa afi mu wo be cheche 20,000 net so tua na kakrakra e de amount na registration of company lawyer ni register of company ma onem na ade nyina but ade ba ko ho no ma no ani lawyer for nsem se wa wo ye se wo kokota filing fees se o file ukoyewe eno so ehun se mo ba ma meka we probate any letters of administration bia wo yiri bia wo agya wo ukuna wo agya wo ofa bia wo agya wo na wo so odi ade amokoye letters of administration be kire hwan na busue ni yama ne tumi se won hwe akire eno se ukoye a up to 10,000 value of mo hwe ejapade kro na ye kan wasem no say up to 100,000 lawyer ne bejo 7,000 say e bro 100,000 say 1 billion ejapade na ye 1 billion obejo a free 7,000 echo any because the Japade issue a case kese pa ewo Ghana ha but na mo filing fees and I say CJ amaya tutum nje se ko file rate kaka obetu asen
depending on name account rate na honti enya fixed nti ebu a o file be na be 50 cedis ebu abanda 70 and name keka ho no my price variation.
Near make account said the old pre or court was
say be a near
criminal and I say
be a the edge of it be a account near man home. People be a they two be a no. Sir, you are a boom next year or the one. And do answer any part of the door crowd was 7 women. Actually, scabitia. It be a son of the cocotte, maybe a ma or 7 women cry a fifer. And need your 7 you 2 pa. Nina a defa.
Na says he cannot a coin.
And no now almost all the administrative matters.
Administration, man, I buy more muska.
Oh, I say
any judicial service for.
I say be internally generated in any institution, and no almost there inside. I mean, matters.
No, there be o say as a matter of policy. Na ye Ghana for munyina munim say a third world country here for mine. Ye ne fe. Na mo o ko file we ya. Ye hwe nkrata say krata 1 2 3 ne be charge wa. Let us say na me na ma court no munyini say no so affecting ni padodo e de wo ma say me ba court ene kwan wo mo be fa so mbenya tentene
and okra ba is a challenge ni nyina from the head you see so resources no e ko or the judiciary no the budget ne ko ana ko munya do mu pe nyina anke be ka so for 2 cities be fa
okay
but enso no ntie so finding means so wanya de o ye no so a atentene no kra no nya dan ni bi no awuram enti de omo ye no it's in fact to cushion the system say ubenya so obekokra na court na bie sin so obekoni mu ato na
computer po ho
thank you say so obekoni mu ato enti omo anya de omo ye no enya sika kakra an cushion the state in the moment na na ebekona na court dan kwa yatum
hey serious pa
and we are still developing
enti abusia for we dey mo case na wo hwe ya ka medical negligence asem say so doctor bi a waja pad bi wo mu wa ma paracetamol wani su chimu nti but wo case bi sa wo dey frɛ na lawyer entie wasem na fe wo ma wa kwankyira be fast we dey free on sika na ya bobo oboso no 15,000 kosi 45,000 na we dey abet na TV so ama kwansa frɛ na lo ancheche mo free hey anya na yenya no fo pa say dey ebinum enka wo mu o eri enka akotena lawyer anim no enka lawyer kuma akra ajo 500 for consultation 1 hour so enti number no wo screen no so enti patcho hwe TV no so na fe wo de atutu wo afrɛ ye wo case bi sa eniama acha na fe wo hu na wetimi e de atuja last week e kan say the case seche e wo court but em pese na cases be che sa enti ne ya shada eye ne sa na nipa so wu hospital no so ahomete pa ma me ka say ye me o case na wo hwe ma Benis estate Adom cobites ya te say di nubuna ahye no na Ufa boys town nyina na ya wada say whether he bring himself and go for yet since Adom ko no an wo mo de pagasa our town but our numbers in 0302 211 701 0302 211 701 and answer 704 ofra now the comment and now question menya na ka question ye wie kura wo de frɛ na me fa lawyer emma na wo lawyer nya kwan no aka say free a enye free saa o we ko tena na nimu a ko oje ubum abrantie ba ko o se afia as a matter of policy we have nothing in 3 words we are a third world country good show pa na afia o ye no Adom FM Yakopon sha wo no production team no said bia mo church Mr. Me and they we say ba Yakopon sha any o comment out there ba Brad Douglas Pacho you good evening o
hello
Pacho good evening Pacho free
make us free Accra
mama mbusa wo problem bi case sika lawyer CG ana say ya rehwe mu ya kan ye
me Pacho me dey medical negligence my wife call hospital do Accra na onyem ntini e kwantinator mo lab e confirm e so onyem ewi e doctor ni man in Robi o certify na fi do complaining ni yem ni ho ade se na malaria go e na say ni se e ko kan ya o mo ka trem se ni se na say dada se na e ba hospital
enti besi na oba ni nyi se na say Brad Douglas ahoma na te ko fate pa but obetimi a wo wi afre wate na ye ma lawyer emwa wo because we de wo yes o fa kwan bi so e be ya asem lawyer beto no bo acheche mama na fe ye hu se de ensem no etie pa lawyer Jude amanko poko amanko ye da se na we to me am emergency e wo se wo kokofo du anti se so Yakopon fa nko boko lawyer ma emfa wadwenche twato e bre na de ati anka menya yanka ye mfa course ni hwete de betimi abo asankofo ba medical negligence betimi ay case free amani pakra na
oh yes
yeah we be
oh yeah probably the nyina ye be in fact lawyer bia you know so be probono because ade bia o ya ultimately bostu kakra say at least ni pada no da
sa
anti medical negligence in there kakra be kan nyina ne say ye nyina no ye nye ahwe kakra me kan say de bia so ko hospital na ya sabia fa won kwa nyina nso bi nsa unkwa ni kura bi na obi so nkura bi de mbeza mchane say mo ni na ho nti ya mabo drew se konoma drew her expiry date obi tell say
dey bi sa da wo so ya efo no so
yeah because untimi nka say at least ya mo drew wo de onhwe kakra ya me kan nyan say wu kwa ebusuafo betimi afa itiama but am de me kan say enkwa say when a lawyer is negligent I mean it's not about ni pewu
a lawyer so to me negligent
oh yes I'm here amount for license crowd for some time very sharp in fact yeah na junior legal council do be so
na dem court say dey ebinum doctor for there na be e court
no as a court na say akra want to say the lawyer 12 good years and now refi
and you no man say no
lawyer no dey 12 good years and on a complex no on man 10 years because omo tell say the lawyer no higher burden say na esen koya
because who dey only mumra no
good years enti or baby anya say bia medicine munkwa na bia negligence or na de aka nyina ne say ye nyina nya hwe health workers ana won so akwa gya yaresa no we are hwe ne du bia ya hwe kakra aha ubehunu se ade na oye no emwa ana meka say ubedi bem na emo medu bia bedi bem no na anya ase awie aha say the way man malaria drink can any dog kakra bi na nko busa question kwa amana ira no na emo no so du bia na system no ye kakra tuma
akenkan
doctor bo busa na question kra na bia
ne bo afu
aha nti nipa bo ko doctor no mu kwa very any intimidation osro nti enya kukudro kakra questions na be ma enema bi say no nyina no edu ba bia enye se de etie no
abuja for emphasis that emma wo a wo hwe me wo case na me upload video no wo me Facebook nti question bia no wo hwe a ebetimi abo Adom TV ni e de besia no Yakopon ye Adom a ye besan ato aso e de amamo ye emphasis that ma lawyer Emmanuel Brodin bedi ako Esquire and obeboy me ete Manase Raymond Kumsin any director any cameraman production team no enyina researchers Michael any Prudence Adamati papa Yakopon ye Adom a next week e be share family dream lady e fia for